How to block screenshots on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block screenshots on WhatsApp. To block screenshots on WhatsApp, especially for your status updates and media shared in chats, you can use various features and settings available on WhatsApp. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see the three dots icon. Simply tap on it and a menu will appear. From here, you will need to choose the settings option. Tap on settings and once you reach to the settings page, here locate the privacy option. Tap on privacy and under privacy, now look for the option status. Once you locate it, tap on it to open it. Now inside it, here you'll be able to see three different options. Now to exclude specific contacts from viewing your status updates, you can select this My Contact Accept option. And then at the right side, you'll be able to see this green text. Simply tap on it and then select those contacts from whom you'd like to hide your status. Also, if you don't want to share it to anyone, you can select this option only share with, and at the right side, you will need to leave it as it is. Do not select any of the contacts. By doing so, this will limit who can see your status and take screenshots. Also, you can use the View Once feature in order to prevent screenshots on WhatsApp. For that, you will need to come back to the home page and then here tap on one of the chats where you'd like to send photos or videos that can only be viewed once by the recipient. Once you open it, here tap on the camera icon at the right side and then select a photo or take a photo you would like to send. Once you capture it, here at the right side you'll be able to see this one icon just above the send button. Once you tap on it, this will activate the View Once feature, and now after doing that, tap on the airplane-like icon at the bottom right to send your media. Now once it has been sent, the recipient will only be able to view it once and they won't be able to take any screenshot of it. Also, another method is to do so is simply block the specific contacts. If you want to prevent a specific person from seeing your status or messages, you can go to the home page and then find the contact you would like to block. Simply tap on the contact to open it and then at the top right you'll be able to see the three dots icon. Tap on it and then from here select the block option. Simply tap on it and then from here select any one of these regions. Tap on the block option at the right side at the bottom in order to do so. Now this will prevent them from seeing any of your updates or messages. So regularly check your privacy settings to ensure that only trusted contacts can view your status, updates and shared media. So by following these steps, you should be able to maintain your privacy as well as block screenshots on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.